Hello everyone, your friend Ronak is back again with another DIY course, and this time we are going to learn Madhubani art. Welcome to the first episode of Madhubani art under What's Your Hobby? Madhubani art, also known as Mithila painting, is a style of Indian painting which is practiced in the Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. This painting is done with a variety of tools including fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens and matchsticks, and using natural dyes and pigments. It is symbolized by its eye-catching geometrical patterns. There is ritual content for particular occasions such as the birth or marriage and festivals such as Holi, Kali Puja and Durga Puja. This painting was traditionally created by the women of various communities in the Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. It originated from the Madhubani district of the Mithila region of Bihar. This painting as a form of wall art was practiced widely throughout the region. The more recent development of painting on paper and canvas mainly originated among the villages around Madhubani, and it is these later developments that led to the term Madhubani art being used alongside Mithila painting. Madhubani paintings mostly depict people and their association with the nature and scenes and deities from the ancient epics. Natural objects like the sun, the moon and religious plants like tulsi are also widely painted, along with scenes from the royal court and social events like weddings. Generally, no space is left empty. The gaps are filled by paintings of flowers, animals, birds, and even geometric designs. Traditionally, this painting was one of the skills that were passed down from generation to generation in the families of the Mithila region, mainly by women, and it is a small endeavor from our side to carry forward this legacy. In this course, stretching over 10 sessions, I'll be teaching you Madhubani art from a very basic level. Since I'm not an expert in this, we'll learn the art together and create beautiful paintings. In my next session, I will provide you with the details of all the materials you'll be needing in this course. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.